Hello. Welcome to the video. I am Tiamanas Abramovas. In this episode, I will talk about the edit section of the menu. There are 4 groups of options in the edit section. First group is about your work steps on your project. First option in this group is undo. It cancels the edit you did on your project. Second option is redo. It brings back the edit you canceled with the previous option. Third option is undo history. It shows list of all edits you performed. Second group in edit option is for the copy and paste processes. First option is cut. It cuts your selection from the layer. Second option is copy. It copies pixels of the active layer. Third option is copy visible. It copies visible pixels of the project. Fourth option is paste. It pastes the pixels from clipboard to the middle of canvas as a floating selection. Fifth option is paste in place. It pastes the pixels from clipboard to the start point of the canvas. Sixth option is paste into selection. It pastes the pixels from clipboard into the selected area. Seventh option is paste into selection in place. It pastes pixels from the clipboard into selected area by start point of the canvas. Eighth option is paste as. It has 3 additional options in its submenu. First sub-option is new layer. It pastes the pixels from clipboard as a new layer into project. Second sub-option is new layer in place. It pastes the pixels from clipboard as new layer to the start point of the canvas. Third sub-option is new image. It pastes the pixels from clipboard to a new layer as a new project. Third group in edit option is cleaning and filling options. First option is clear. It returns your image into how was it at beginning. Second option is fill with foreground color. It fills the layer with the color, which is selected for the foreground. Third option is fill with background color. It fills the layer with the color, which is selected for the background. Fourth option is fill with pattern. It fills the layer with the pattern, which is selected. Fifth option is fill selection outline. It fills the selection with a color or pattern as you desire. Sixth option is fill path. It fills inside of the path with a color or pattern as you desire. Seventh option is stroke selection. It strokes the borders of selection accordingly your desire. Eighth option is stroke path. It strokes the borders of path accordingly your desire. We will talk about details of those path and selection tools later on. Fourth group is for editing the program's interface and other important details. First option is preferences. You can change the interface and layout of GIMP from this section. We will talk about it later in detail. I don't suggest to change things with other options if you are a newcomer. In the next episode, we are going to talk about the selection section of the menu. If you like this video, like it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.